Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can install WordPress for your cPanel in Namecheap. So the first thing that you want to do is to access cPanel. What you have to do is go to hosting list, under domain list, and here you're going to find go to cPanel. Click on that. It's going to redirect you to cPanel, and right here you're going to find a script WordPress or WordPress Manager by Soft Close. So I'm going to click WordPress right here. And then you're going to scroll down below and you're going to see install now. Here you're going to have options to choose the URL to which you want to install a WordPress. So let's say it can be website DAO, or website DAO is here, but you will find your own. Then the version. And then you're going to have the site name, and then definitely check out the admin username and admin password. Change it to something that you can remember or where you can save it. What you can do then is that you can select plugins that you can install. Now, my recommendation is you can watch plenty of tutorials on how we can, like what are the good plugins to have, etc. But be really careful, because many times sites got hacked only because through the plugin. So you want to have like information about it, and then you can change the theme here if you want to. Now, when you will have it, then you're going to press install, and you can also have email installation details to where you want to send it. Install. And it can take a little while. Okay. And now you're going to have return to WordPress management. And here you can clone it, backup it, restore it, remove, uninstall. All of that you're going to find right here for your WordPress. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And that's how we're gonna do it. So have a great day and goodbye.